Okay. So, I don't know if this company exists or what anymore. So, 11/19/19. So, November I order it. Here it is May, because it just wasn't the season, but I should have. Came quick. A nice big box. But, problem with it. Dude. Where do I begin? Do we see this? Look at these holes. How nasty. I don't even think it's doing justice. There you go. There you can see that. That's a finished surface. Look at how freaking nasty that is. Let's see if I can find the rash that's all throughout here. Get away, cat. Okay. And the light, you see it right there? That's not a smudge. It's freaking rash. It's rash in the finish. It's all throughout. You can see it now. Yeah, there you go. Now it's showing up. There you go. See that? It's all over. And see the scratches, the vertical scratches up and down? That's me taking my finger and wiping my finger on it. My clean fingers, it's scratching it. Just touching it scratches this finish. I can rub it the other way. Oh, God. I'm afraid to even let my cat rub on it. My cat's going to damage this shit. Oh, look at the clear it ran right down. Let's see where we at. Big globs of freaking clear. Fucking ridiculous. How am I gonna? And so anyway, I tried contact. So yeah, there's two different sides. You saw the first one was trash, terrible. The other one has globs of shit running all over it. I wish I could tell the manufacturer for sure, but when I went on eBay to look at purchases, it's like you click on it and it's not there. It doesn't exist. It tells you purchase similar products. That's it. I can't contact them. I haven't even finished unboxing it. I mean, the flashing that's left on, I have some pieces in the other room. But they should flex a little bit, this stuff. They're hard as hell. There's no flex. They're going to crack so easy. Almost done unboxing. Cracked too. I have a cracked piece. So everyone has rash all over it. I'm better off, here's the old panels. I'm better off using those. Let's see here. I'm redoing the bedroom, kids. So we're using that for... I did that because that was cracked right off. So these are my runs right here. But that was cracked right off. I figure I'm probably going to need that back on there. Thank God it was in the box. But again, rash all over these. You can see it now. Look how clear that is. You can't dust it. You can even see where I wiped it. That's it. It's not coming out. That looks better. I'd rather put on the old shit. If you look at the finish between the two, nothing like OEM. Nothing like it. So buyer beware at your own risk. This stuff flexes. I can flex this. I don't want to flex this. There's no flex. None. It'll snap. I can already tell the holes, orientation of holes on here. They should be kind of squared up. They're not. They're kind of whatever. That hole, it should be squared out, perpendicular to surfaces like this one, as it should be. No, we're just kind of whatever. Fly by night Chinese. fuck that, dude. I would never do it again. I bought this bike from an auction to flip it. I'm thinking about keeping it. I don't even want to flip it. I feel bad. It's so fucked. Dude, the flashing on this stuff is awful too. I'm going to use a lot of the old same stuff. What I can get away with. I don't know. And we'll see what it's going to be like putting it back together. It's probably going to be shit. Anyway, buyer beware. Watch out for those Chinese things. It didn't even have that bad of reviews. That particular brand, but who knows. All right. Good luck.